I'm walking on a shelf pile here, and I want to ask the question, how many times can an attorney object during the course of trial? You want to know the answer? Come join me on this walk along the beach as I share with you the answer to that question. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney. Okay, so let's say your case involves medical malpractice, or even an accident case, or a wrongful death case, and now your case goes all the way to trial. During the course of trial, the defense attorney is doing everything possible to prevent you and your attorney from getting certain documents and photographs into evidence. It seems as if the defense attorney is objecting every few minutes. "Judge, I object!" He's constantly jumping up out of his seat, screaming out "objection," which brings all the proceedings to a stop. Now the judge has to rule on that objection as to whether or not the witness can continue answering the question, or whether a particular document or photograph will be admitted into evidence. And now it seems as if nothing is going smoothly. Is there a limit as to how many times the opposing attorney can actually raise objections at the time of trial? The short answer is no, there isn't. The long answer is no, there isn't. The defense attorney could jump up every few minutes or every few seconds and yell out "objection." The better question is that a smart strategy? Is it a good strategy? In my opinion, the answer is absolutely not. In fact, I think that's a terrible strategy. Why is that? If the defense attorney keeps yelling out "objection" over and over and over again, the jury will clearly get the impression that this lawyer is trying to hide something. He doesn't want them to hear certain information, certain testimony, or see certain evidence. When that happens, now it's going to backfire on the attorney. They begin to question, seriously question, what's the problem? Why doesn't he want us to go ahead and see this information? Why is he working so hard to prevent us from hearing this evidence, to hearing this testimony, seeing these photographs? When that happens, now the jury wonders, what's he really trying to hide? Why doesn't he want us to see this information? Why doesn't he want us to hear about it? When that occurs, now the sympathy tends to shift toward the injured patient as opposed to the defense attorney. The better strategy is to use these objections judiciously, meaning only when absolutely necessary. Okay? He has a legal right to make an objection if he feels that his client's legal rights are being infringed upon. Maybe a question is not phrased properly. Maybe a photograph should not be coming into evidence for legal reasons. There could be lots of legal reasons. Oh, let me show you something. It's really cool. So let's get back to the question. Is it a great idea for the defense attorney to go ahead and object? And is there a limit? There is no limit. However, the judge will get annoyed with the defense attorney. The jurors will get annoyed with the defense attorney. I will get annoyed with the defense attorney. And you know what? That could work to our advantage. But from the defense lawyer's standpoint, it is definitely not a good strategy. So why do I share this information with you? I share it with you just to give you a sense of what really goes on during the course of a trial in New York. You know, I realize you're likely watching this video because you wanted to see nice scenery and the beach and the birds. No, I realize you're watching this because you likely have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, if your matter did happen in New York and you are thinking about bringing a lawsuit, but haven't done so yet because you still have questions that need to be answered, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. You know I answer questions like yours every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at Oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a fantastic day.